You're kidding me. Why do I have to be the next queen? You? Dancing really? I guess today really is lucky. Oh my. Hello there, lost child. I see. The child of water in you. But I sense something different. It doesn't belong to you, does it? No, don't hurt them. Don't hurt my people. They did nothing wrong, only I was in the wrong. Time really cannot wait until it's the future. Now it's the present, but that was the past. Time is running out. Hello, and good afternoon, young Seraphe.